syllables belong to this table. 3 or more syllables belong to this table. Look at here, feet, long, muscular, feet, active.
Ya Allah, sehatkan tangan Puput. Ya Allah, berkahkan tangan Puput. Makasih Pak Chandra.
Below feet. When we call it beat, it means the syllable. Bunyi kata.
Who is here, Abdi? Beautiful. Beautiful girls all over the world. Artificial bersama my friends in
What is your pen?
Nabila, ada yang jatuh nih.
Oh iya, UNBK kakak. Sebentar Mister, coba bilang elegan sir.
Apa?
Elegan sih.
Hai, elegan.
Elegant.
Fancy. You.
Mister.
What do you say? Effort. Effort. It should be effort. I used to say effort. Is that juga dulu? But then when I listen to native speakers and also I see in dictionary. Elegant. How many?
Bisa kalau GH belakangnya kan baginya effort kayak
Enough. Yes.
kalau kesalahan
Siapa yang mau sekolah mati sama aku?
goyang goyang tapi Pak El Kasio misalnya roti dan sama
Oh, ya.
One shower of this.
Yeah. Go. There is jokes about English English words. Yes.
Jadi mau lihat kata aku ya.
Elegant.
Mau kasih kata ya.
What do you think? What do you think? Okay. Alright. Raise your hand if you have done it. Raise your hand. Desti, have you done?
Mr. Madrid.
Mr. MU. Beda lah. Madrid kalau MU itu beda. Gak berteman. Orang sama.
Look at dancers. Look at your answer. What is that actually? Oh, is that oh, no.
Dolang. Aku tahu banget.
One.
Go.
One.
Here.
One.
Listen.
Four.
Muscular.
Three.
Here.
One.
Check your one.
Two.
Anissa. Check that one.
Three.
One. Okay.
Two.
Bisa, Wan?
Aisyah Nova.
Big.
Aisyah Nova.
Aisyah apa?
Jelek.
How many syllable?
Two.
Which one? Here or one? Here or here?
Yellow.
Here ya. Okay. Attractive.
Three.
Here or here?
Three.
Okay. Beautiful.
Three.
Three. Here ya.
Two.
Clean.
One.
Okay. Elegant.
Three.
Three. Fancy.
One.
What does this mean? Fancy.
I like you.
Fancy house. Fancy. This is my fancy house. Impian. Fancy is impian. You are. Okay. Now. Desti, eyes on the slide. Bintang. Okay. Look at this adjective. Which adjective that should be added ER and the end of the word? Kira-kira kata. Wait. Tunggu Jaira. Kayak Jaira saja. Yang lain coba. Look at here. Matanya dulu. Eyes on the slide. Alright. Eyes on the slide. Perhatikan pertanyaan. Which adjective should be added ER at the end of the word? Mulyana. Let me check Mulyana. Which adjective? Nah. Adjective. Ayo. Siap-siap. If you don't look at the slide, I will between you. Ayo, Mulyana. Which adjective that should be added ER at the end of the word? Yes. Kata sifat mana? Which adjective? Let me check first. Listen to the answer of Zahira. Number one. Kasihkan satu. Give me one example. Long. Become longer. Okay, now. Which adjective? Kata sifat apa saja that should be added? Harus ditambah ER at the end of the word. Big. Okay, what else? Wait. Okay, one. Aisyah Noval. What else? Big. I think. Look at your note. Coba lihat catatan kalian tadi. Look at your note. Cleaner. Okay. Desti. Cheaper. Nadia. Nova.
Bigger, ugly.
Big. Okay, bigger. Bintang. What else?
Cooler.
Chubbier. Okay. Putri. Fit. Okay, fitter. Anissa. Beautiful. Is that true? Apakah beautiful bisa? Okay, no, katanya satu lagi. Boleh. Shiva, what else? One more. Satu lagi yang belum tersebut bisa benar. Anissa tadi ada jumpa. Sudah atau belum ugly ini? Oke, boleh deh, Pak. Uglier. Oke, boleh satu. Sudah. No. Yang hanya ditambah IR ya. Only words that can be added to IR. I need one more. What is that I? Bigger sudah disebut. Has been mentioned by your friend. Yang belum. Cleaner already. Chubbier sudah already. Long already. Cheaper already. Long already. Big already. Dia sebutkan dari apa? depan, ke depan.
Iya, Pak. Proyek
Sepia.
Okay, look at this one. Guys, lihat.
Yes.
What can we compare? Apa yang bisa dibandingkan antara dua ini?
Harga, merek, fungsi, warna, panjang,
Bintang.
besar.
What can we compare in these two?
Kata kasir yang tengah dibedain juga, Pak. Yang tengah.
Saya. Bintang. What can we compare? Apa yang bisa dibandingkan dari dua ini?
Pulpen itu tingkat hitam, kalau yang
Oke, in terms of what? Dalam hal apa dibandingkan?
warna.
Color. Okay, what else?
Size.
What else?
Size.
Yes. Size. Berarti kalau size, what adjective can be used? Kalau ukuran,
Kata Jasmine sih labelnya.
ukuran if it is size, what adjective biasanya digunakan dalam ukuran? Size. Ukuran itu kan pasti ada
Bigger.
apa tuh ukurannya?
Bigger.
Adjektifnya big
Smaller.
and
Small.
small. Oke, right. What?
Marker.
Kalau Mister bilang ini lebih kecil daripada ini, gimana?
The pen is smaller than the marker.
The pen is
smaller than the marker.
than the marker. Oke. Kalau color ini lebih terang dan lebih gelap, gimana?
The marker is brighter than the pen.
The marker is brighter than a pen. Kalau dari segi estetik, beauty,
Gak ada estetik.
anggaplah ini lebih bagus
The
dan
marker
estetik
is
daripada ini. Gimana?
The marker is more beautiful.
The marker, okay. Let me check.
Then let me.
Jasmine, ini lebih bagus daripada ini. Okay, right. Now, let's read together. Lihat ke depan, kita ulang sama-sama. This marker
This marker
is bigger
is bigger
than this pen.
than this pen.
Kebalikannya.
This pen is smaller than the marker.
Nih, siapa yang lebih panjang?
Marker.
Alright, yuk, gimana?
This marker is smaller.
Panjang, harus panjang. Longer. This marker is longer. Ini lebih pendek, gimana? Alright, nah, sekarang coba lihat ini. Choose three adjectives on each box. Make them into pairs. Boleh pilih 3 dari kotak ini dan perbanding-bandingkan seperti tadi. Boleh pakai benda apapun. Pilih 3, misalnya big, magnificent, attractive, atau apapun. Choose three. Caranya gimana, Sir? Contohnya saya mengambil I take word big. Bisa membandingkan my bag is bigger than this bag. Pilih lagi, choose another. Clean. My room is cleaner than his room. 2, 3. Magnificent. My class is more magnificent than their class. Sudah 3. Choose 3 adjective. Silakan pilih dan what does it mean magnificent? Keren, amazing. Pilih 3 di sini.
Sabia jadi CHOBBIR.
Ya. Right. Oke, boleh ditulis dulu.
Siapa punya penggaris?
Ayo
Penggaris.
tulis. Bukan misi. Kayaknya masuk
Oh, punya tes.
seleksi bentuknya. Dah? Only 3 ya. Bukan? Where is bukan? Ya. Choose 3 make the comparison. Seperti kalimat yang kita buat. Ayo, Alin. Nah. Yes.
Attractive itu more attractive, bukan attractive.
Bulan double. Real.
Kayak tadi itu nggak sudah ini bigger than
Ya. Yes.
Gimana sir? Perbandingan.
Status.
Dan suruh bigger aja
Oh, really?
Kira nggak tuh boleh keluar ya?
Ini apa? Ya. Pilih tiga.
Big yang belakangnya S.
Ini fit become apa?
Peter,
Fitter, big,
bigger,
bigger.
chubbier,
Chubbier.
cleaner, fancier, longer, more magnificent, more
Oke,
magnificent.
girls, lihat ke depan dulu supaya dapat anunya, so you can change it into comparison. Fit, fitter, big,
Bigger, chubbier, cleaner, fancier, longer, more magnificent,
more magnificent.
more muscular, more attractive, more beautiful, more attractive.
Artinya, the meaning is lebih, lebih besar, lebih rapi, lebih bersih, lebih kaya. Oke.
Mister, friendly itu friendly ya kan?
Ya.
Chubby nggak? I kan chubbier. Chubby ya?
Remember, when you compare something, berarti two things ya, dua hal atau something.
Sudah selesai.
Ya.
Mister,
Ini gak belajar.
oh itu, gede ya? Ini gitu apa?
My friend is
Sir, kalau fancy I-nya diganti, Y-nya diganti
good question.
I.
What if
Fancy.
the word adjective is end with Y? Chubby and fancy.
Gimana tuh?
What can we change?
Gimana tuh?
I-E-R.
Alright.
Jadi dia
Okay, girls. What if the words end with C? Y.
bisa. Fancy.
What if the words ugly?
Uglier.
What can we change?
U-G-R-L-I-E-R.
Ah. Done?
Yes, done.
Okay.
Sir, oh betul cabai juga.
Ini
I think time is
Yeah.
Alright. Now, you may stop doing that. Boleh lihat tulisan dulu sebentar? Okay, girls.
Mantap.
Okay. I think there's some. Don't worry. There are some already magnificent. Magnificent. Not magnificent, yeah. Magnificent is there. Magnificent 7, right? There are some already magnificent in doing this, but there are some still struggling. But don't worry, we help you. If you need help, please come to me. Yeah? Do not let yourself surrender. Give up. Come to me. Alright. Now before we end the class, okay, boleh ke sini? Eyes on me. Alright. Now, let's we conclude first. Let's get to class. What do you understand from this? Apa yang kamu pahami? Okay, what is syllable? Yeah.
Silabel itu kayak kata suku kata. Nah itu tergantung dengan itu yang or kita bisa pakai or atau more.
Alright.
Yang silabel itu pakai or. Yang tinggal lebih itu pakai more.
Okay.
Terus yang terakhirnya y diganti I, er.
Alright. Good.
Or.
Now, my question. When? Kapan? When? Okay, Esti, it's here. When do we add er at the end of the word? Kapan ya? Pada on what adjective? On what adjective that we add er?
One or two syllable.
One or two syllable. Esti, in what adjective we add er?
Apa?
Nah,
Akhir kata, Sir.
nah, itu barusan disebutkan oleh Anissa.
Apanya tiga?
One more, listen carefully before I ask question. Anissa, in what kind of adjectives we add er on the adjective?
You only have one or two syllable.
One or two syllable, we add er at the end of the word. So, apa tadi?
Di satu atau dua silabel kita bisa tambahkan er.
Okay, now when we add more, kapan kita
Ini
use
lebih
more?
Three or more